Kingdom, there's so many ways of transportation that doesn't cost anything. Once you're on property, you have to include that when you're planning. Oh my gosh, it costs so much. Well, look at everything that is at your fingertips. You've got the monorail, resort launches, which is boats, and it's so much fun. And then you've got the monorail, you've got walkways, there's a ferry boat that'll take you to the ticket center. In fact, we may go take a ride on that because that would be fun. In fact, I'm going to do it. Let's go. Let's go take a ferry boat. We'll take it to the ticket center and then come back. So, ferry boat entrance. There's a Mickey Christmas party tonight. Went to one the other night. It was fantastic. Had so much fun. So this ferry boat is to the ticket center, which is at the parking lot if you drive a car, and it will bring you over to the Magic Kingdom. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the ferry boat to the ticket center, and then we'll just come on back. Or will we hop on the monorail? I don't know. What do you think? What's going to be fun? We'll see. We'll see what the crowds look like. So there's so many options, so many choices that are fun transportation. It's a ride in itself. All right, looks like there's a little line because we're waiting for the boat. But here comes the boat. I see it in the distance. Let's go get in line, wait our turn.
All right, everybody, welcome aboard. Please take time, watch the steps, and on down. Other experts, yeah, please do not sit or stand on the stairs. Keep the stairs clear. Also, make sure to keep all hands on feet legs inside the vessel at all times. Don't forget, keep all children and packages away from the handrails and windowsills. Any ledges on board where they can fall down or fall out. And we will be heading across to the transportation center in just a few more moments. We're not doing this.
monorail. And then you've got monorails that will take you to Epcot. And then the buses for other places. And of course right here as you come in you have Joffrey's. May have to get some of that. It's turned off a little chilly here. Joffrey's coffee.